Hello friends, the topic of today's video is fact constellation schema. So there are three types of schema in data warehouse: star schema, snowflake schema and fact constellation schema. So in this video, I will introduce you what is fact constellation schema and how to draw fact constellation schema. So fact constellation schema contains multiple fact table, while in star schema you see only there is only one fact table. So splitting the star schema into one or more star schema, that is called as fact constellation schema. So why there are multiple fact table? If there is one or more if there is more than one fact table, then it is called as fact constellation schema. But the reason is why there is multiple fact table. Suppose there are too many dimension table, then one fact table cannot accommodate all the data of data of all the dimension table. So there is need of more than one fact table. So to overcome this disadvantage or to overcome this scenario, there is fact constellation schema. So in fact constellation schema, there can be more than one fact table. So here this is the example. So there are two fact tables: sales fact table and shipping fact table, and there are five dimension table. So every dimension table has attributes and primary key. So we'll go through dimension table first. So there is time dimension table, has time underscore key, primary key, and there are four attributes: day, month, quarter and year. Then branch table has branch underscore key is the primary key, and branch name and branch type is the attribute. Item dimension table has item underscore key is the primary key, item name, brand type is attribute. Then location table has location underscore key is the primary key, street, city, state and country are the attributes. And then shipper underscore key is primary key, while shipper underscore name, shipper underscore type is are the attributes. Now this item time and shipper dimension table is connected to shipping fact table. So the entry of those table are here: time underscore key, item underscore key, shipper underscore key. So and there are this is called as measures. So measures are the facts which represent the numerical figures. So units, total units sold or average sales represent the measures. And there is sales fact table which is connected to four dimension table: time, branch, item and location. So it contains the entry of this primary key, time underscore key, branch underscore key, item underscore key and location underscore key. And units sold and average sales, it is called as measures. So measure again represent the facts. So this is the structure of fact constellation schema. So and this is the difference between star schema and fact constellation schema. So again, if you see snowflake schema, also there is only one fact table, but in fact constellation schema there can be more than one fact table. So I do hope you understand fact constellation schema. Please subscribe to this channel, and that's it for this video. Thank you.